Ere. What is that? Hey, who from? 1. Yeah, sure. 1 plus 5 plus 25 plus 125 plus 625 plus 3125. Pay total. Pay total. Ere. 3906. Okay, yo. Yeah, calculate in number. So, how do you get a fellow moving? We get you file 3906. So, keep me out. So, if you get to it, then you're not but by the time you are about 3906, get amount the error now. Rebona where you are or Camilo organization. Once you have a team in SO. More bito na kata sali bito la hao watu babaka maybe awati sala kama 1 ukistewe enough mara wale because I don't have the whole country watu kiba to waka yaba kuda mfunda mu country baba nsile the side only solve ka offer the pay the way solve ni ya ofanda raya ko really solve of tell ko keep the time rate that can stay 3906 it will be very little amount you can ananka because it will be like how to this? So how many this amount? Calculate you all the times more. I can say how is that 30 points company go put this amount? You have 14 rand 85 that's 1%, which means get line and it's a line is so guy. It's a so. Well, how do you want with that 30 points? Wait, company go put 14 rand 85. We won 1%. How is the over 5? Then by 30 points, it over 1485 is 5 plus in there. Correct? Again. So now, I have to tell you because it's a silly dynamic. You have to 3906 or times 14.85. What's the matter? Go to the once off. Umpulele amount to come. Umpulele 5800 4.10. That is 58,410 cents. Who? Now every month. Just because you spend 700. You already said product zero sometimes maybe our break because now you say